right, guys, welcome back to Travels of Preston. I'm your boy Preston, and today I'm actually in Old Town Alexandria again, and I wanted to do another little special tribute to Old Town. More importantly, it is called the Duke Street Black History Trail. All right, I definitely wanted to highlight that. So we're actually going to start off right here next to the Edmonson Sisters sculpture, which is on 1701 Duke Street. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's a tribute to two teenage sisters who were born into slavery and attempted to escape, later becoming vocal and visible abolitionists. The piece was sculpted by bronze work artist Erik Blome. So this is actually, like I said, the Edmonson Sisters. I got a little bit more detail on them, but I think it's absolutely fantastic that this has been built, and it's just, obviously it's beautiful, it's nice. It's bronze, and I'm gonna have to actually learn a little bit more about the Edmonson Sisters. But like I said, it's a whole trail, so we're just gonna be making our way through the trail. All right, let's go. All right, so right next to the actual Edmonson Sisters sculpture is this building right behind me called the Bruin Slave Jail. This is where the sisters were held and for further reckoning of Alexandria's role in the domestic slave trade, all right? So right now, currently, I believe there's some type of, it's a realtor office right now, it's been converted, but hundreds of years ago, this used to be a slave jail, all right? Okay, so just walking down Duke Street, we came to Shiloh Baptist Church, which is one of the city's oldest active churches, drawing its name from a biblical term for place of peace. The church was formed as an oasis during the Civil War for the formerly enslaved, all right? So it's a beautiful church. As you can see, like the red brick, they have the stained glasses. It's actually pretty dope. And like I said, it's an active church, so you can actually come and worship and stuff like that. So we're gonna keep pushing down Duke Street to see what else. Okay, so right next to Shiloh Baptist is the Freedom House Museum, which is literally across the street, right? So this is what remains of a large complex dedicated to the trafficking of thousands of black men, women, and children from 1828 to 1861. The newly reopened with 3 floors of expositions in May 2022. This museum seeks to reframe white supremacist history, all right? So I think it's very, very crucial that we know our history, American history, like I said, Black American history, that if you're in Old Town, you should definitely take a look at it. Like I said, there's so many different museums around here that's dedicated to African Americans or Black people, depending on how you identify. It's more than just the ones that we know, like the African American History Museum, more towards in DC. There's a lot of little places like this that need love too, all right? Okay, so down the street on the backhand side on Prince Street is the Louverture Hospital, which served Black soldiers and those escaping enslavement during the Civil War. Now, to be honest with you, I'm not sure which one of these houses is it, but I know the marker's on this side of the street, so it has to be either this particular house or maybe this one right here, but it's right here. So you should take a peek, and if you do know where it's at, please let me know so that way I can come back and maybe look a little harder, whatever. But yeah, they do have a marker, like I said, right here. All right, we're gonna keep on this tour. All right, so actually coming from the hospital, it's about a 6-minute walk up the street, up Duke Street, and directly behind me is the Alfred Street Baptist Church. It is Alexandria's oldest African-American congregation. It was founded in the early 19th century within its first black neighborhood called The Bottoms. So it's not too much to see, I guess, because it looks very modern now. But like I said, it is the oldest African-American congregation in Old Town, so it's pretty dope, right? All right, so I think we have one more stop to go, which is the African American Heritage Park. I'm not sure how far the walk is, but we're gonna skedaddle that way. So upon Googling it, the African American Heritage Park is actually closed. So I guess it closed kind of early. But it's about a 12-minute walk from the Alfred Street Baptist Church. But let me tell you a little bit about it. So it lingered by the bronze tree memorial titled Truths That Rise from the Roots, all right, is remembered. Created by Jerome Meadows and carved with the names of black Alexandrians who shaped the city. And I'm definitely going to have to come back. I'm not going to vlog it, obviously, because that's the end of the tour, but I'm definitely going to go back and try to put it on my Instagram, so make sure you stay tuned for that, all right? So like I said, this is Travels of Preston, signing out from Old Town Alexandria, and I'll catch you guys next Monday.